Cloud costs grow mostly because of unobserved resources. If you can't tell what you're using, you're never going to remember to turn it off. So we have to implement Focus, that's a system from the FinOps Foundation, so that you have clear observability of your costs. That's step one. Step two is thinking through all the little opportunities for moving costs into more fixed formats. So CUDs or reserved instances or savings plans on AWS, systems for optimizing on the spend that you know you have. Another big driver of cost runaway is pieces from the marketplace or other software licenses that are a part of your cloud spend that you may lose track of as you continue to evolve your architecture. So it's important that you're able to pay attention to not just the central cloud bill, but all the surrounding costs that support your cloud consumption.